In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into the Microsoft Teams app on your Windows PC. If you're new to Microsoft Teams or just need a bit of a refresher, don't worry. I'll guide you through the process step by step so that it's easy to follow. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft Teams application on your Windows PC. This should be either pinned to your taskbar or accessible from the Start menu. If it's your first time using this application, you might need to search for Teams in the search bar to find it. Once you locate the app, give it a click and it will open right up. Now that the app is open, you'll see the welcome screen. Look out for the sign in button. It's usually prominently displayed on the home page. Go ahead and click on Sign In to begin the login process. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This should be the email that's associated with your Microsoft account. Type in your email, making sure it's entered correctly, then click on Next. This step is crucial, so double check your email for any typos to avoid any errors. Once you've entered your email, it's time to enter your password. In the password field, type in your password carefully. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so ensure you have your caps lock off and input any capital letters as needed. After entering your password, click the Sign In button. Following this, you'll be guided to a screen where you will click on Next. This step might seem redundant, but it's here to ensure you're ready to proceed and that the information entered thus far is accurate. Clicking Next will affirm that everything is set to move forward. The next step involves clicking on Continue. This confirmation screen usually appears in order to provide a seamless experience and reiterate that you are logged into the correct account, especially useful if you have multiple accounts to choose from. Click Continue to finalize your login process, and just like that, you're done. Congratulations! Not only are you logged into Microsoft Teams, but you are now ready to start collaborating, attending meetings, or exploring the app's many features. If you encounter any hiccups along the way, feel free to revisit this guide anytime. Don't forget, getting comfortable with logging in is a great first step toward mastering Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy teaming!